In a recent air combat demonstration, the Turkish-made Kizilelma unmanned combat aerial vehicle showcased its advanced beyond visual range (BVR) engagement capabilities by successfully locking onto an F-16 fighter jet as a target. This maneuver highlights how modern drones are revolutionizing aerial warfare and shifting the balance of power in the skies. Using sophisticated radar and sensor fusion technology, Kizilelma detected, tracked, and designated the F-16 without ever coming into visual contact, relying entirely on electronic signals and radar signatures. The BVR lock-on process began with Kizilelma's onboard radar scanning the airspace and identifying the unique radar cross-section of the F-16. Advanced algorithms filtered out clutter and confirmed the target's identity with high confidence. Once locked, the Kizilelma simulated a missile engagement sequence, demonstrating its ability to prosecute targets at long distances with precision. This event marks a significant leap in drone versus fighter scenarios, proving that unmanned systems can effectively compete with manned jets in high-stakes, long-range air combat environments.